Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to easy and correct way to write the first name, last name and his email. So we have tried like this. First we can write his first name, then we can write the last name and write his email. The email is I have write it like this @ gmail.com. So we can move here and we can write first name and last name and then go to email. So it take time and more difficult to write his email name, first name and last name. So I will show you how to write the first, last name and email in 1 second. So we can move here and press Ctrl E. Here we can see that the first name are generated automatically, and go to this cell and Ctrl E. The last name are automatically generated. Here we can see that. And email we can press again Ctrl E. So the email are generated automatically. Here we can see that. So please try yourself, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.